So this is the S&P, and what I'm going to do is try and forecast the top. Difficult task this one, but let's have a go at it because it could be fun. So the first thing I would like to do is I'd like to mark this wave here because that's the first push in this market going to the upside, and the possibility is that you'll get a doubling of this wave in height. So if I measure from that high to this low and we come up 100%, we come up to this point here. So that's double that first push and project it from that top there. So this wave is equal to the top of this wave by exactly the same size. So that's number one. Number two is this could be a third wave, I don't know. So what you would expect from a third wave is that the third wave, the first push, when projected from the second wave, would usually come to about 161.8, and that's this level up here. So with my cycle that's due to arrive on the 17th to 18th, but if it's a day early, then we're looking at the fact that this could already be the turn, because that would be the ideal point. So we've hit a very good price objective. Now it's just a case of waiting and seeing, will this turn actually work? Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you can join our Discord group as well. It's free and the link is in the description below.